Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati and in today's video my sister is going to do makeup on my face. So give a big round of applause for my little sister.
Yay!
Okay,
Yes. So
to make this video more interesting, we are going to do
we are going to add some questions so that you guys don't get bored while I'm doing her makeup. So we are going to be talking, answering, chit chat little bit basically, answering
Yeah.
some questions. So yeah.
without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay. पहले आप स्टार्ट करेंगे कि हम स्टार्ट करें?
Okay, I will start. Okay, so firstly we are going to moisturize her face.
Pretty face.
It's pretty clean. Is it clean?
Yeah, it's clean.
Okay.
So
So taking
this moisturizer is recommended by my dermat.
yeah. So
So if your skin is normal, not oily, not dry, then you can use this. But please, I would suggest to recommend a dermat. Then only you try
yes,
this.
use it only if recommended by a dermat. Don't go blindly over
So I
influencers suggesting
don't use anything else. I just use a face wash and
this
this-
moisturizer
that's
because
it.
her dermat doesn't allow.
No, because my natural skin is
speak. You're gonna
My
eat a lot
natural-
of product today. Don't move. Speak now.
because my natural skin I feel is very nice. So
Touch wood.
touch wood.
This is a privilege to have a good skin. The people like me know. ऊपर से if you are a makeup junkie, guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post some good makeup content there.
I'm feeling like I just do with my hand like.
Then do nothing. But I am your makeup artist today. Why don't you start with the questions? Okay,
Yeah.
let's firstly moisturize your face.
So that I can open my eyes and see the questions what I have to ask.
I hope my ring is not poking your face.
Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't feel that
Open
you're
your
giving
eyes.
I'm feeling like a small child.
Prachimua is in the town.
Like
No, I'm
when
your
we
mother.
were kids, our mother used to do na like a makeup, applying kajal, powder, cream, and all. Just
Can you
having
clip
the
your
same.
Here's the ones that's coming up.
No. Feeling nostalgia.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. You
So
wait. Okay, up next we are using a primer so that she don't have pores, but still if there are any, the pore gets blocked and she
And-
doesn't get pimples if the makeup gets deposited.
I had one here, but now it's almost
like
gone.
so. Okay, we are applying primer. Okay, go ahead with
Okay.
your question.
So the first category is funny questions, which I'm going to ask you.
Okay, let's start on a very good funny note.
Yeah. So who is mom's favorite child?
Obviously me.
Me.
Obviously me.
It's
Go
me.
ask your
First child.
Go ask your mother.
Everyone knows.
I think
first
we should.
child is
No,
always
with time
favorite
it
child.
changes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. We'll do this with our mother. Guys, comment down below. Ask my mother to come in
In
video.
our
She
video,
doesn't.
so that she will answer what is the right answer
Yes.
to this question.
They would never take any one person's name.
They'll say, "You all are our favorite."
Everyone is equally.
Okay. Next question. Who is more dramatic?
Obviously you.
Me.
Obviously
Me.
she. You guys
Yeah.
can silly see it.
Who spends more money? You.
Oh.
Obviously she.
Obviously you earn to spend. Come on. Otherwise, why would you earn if you don't want to spend?
Okay.
If you
Next.
spend, you get more.
Yeah.
So keep
Spend
spending.
more.
I've learned this from you. Okay.
Wow.
Moving on with
So
my concealer, guys.
And with my next question,
Yes.
who takes longer to get ready? As you guys can see. Who?
Obviously me. But if I'm doing a full glam thing, otherwise, if it has to be quick, then I am.
No, then also I'm the quickest.
Okay, so go.
You are saying. You say first.
What I was saying.
What are you applying?
Concealer to hide the dark spots that you have got using a lot of mobile scrolling. Stop using a lot of mobile. She don't have a lot of dark spots, so just covering the under eyes and आंखें बंद कर.
कि जो एक चेहरा नजर आए.
I was thinking of the song, but I was not able to get it. अभी आँख में पोक कर दिया होता ये concealer. इतना खत्म हो गया. Now you will buy me one.
What is this? Okay, I'll buy it too.
If
But-
this video. I know the show. Arey, why it is not coming out?
If my channel hits 1K subscriber, then I'll buy this too for you. Okay.
I don't want to. You can buy this one and one L'Oreal one, the highlighting one.
Okay, one each.
Guys, subscribe कर लो जल्दी.
If you want her to get new makeup products.
I need it, guys. This
Okay.
one is already empty almost.
Next question.
Yes.
Who would you survive longer on a deserted island?
Huh? Who would you?
Who
Who would
Who would
survive?
survive, yeah.
On an island. I think
Deserted island. What? Why can't I?
I don't know, but you need
I
people.
feel I.
You need people.
But you will be there, no?
Oh, alone it is written, no? Guys, ignore my voice.
She is having cough. Hopefully I didn't get it.
Oh, we are too close. Let me wear a mask. Full professional mua.
Yeah, please. Please do it.
Get me one. Those guys.
What is the next question? I can't see.
Just wait, nahi. Let me do this.
Ah, but you didn't answer this question, na?
I said na I. Close
Why
it.
you? Why can't I?
I feel I. You feel you. That's it.
Okay, guys.
Because you need
you
more.
let us know
Because
in
you
comment
need.
section who do you think would be able to survive?
Because you need people around you. How would you able to live alone?
You don't accept this, but you also need.
But I need Shanti also, na, sometimes.
With people, you need Shanti. With people around you.
Kind of true.
I know. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Who is more likely to get arrested for something silly?
I. Because of the temper issue, I guess.
Yeah, I won't be getting arrested for anything silly.
Actually, if it's about temper, then I. Otherwise, I can, even if it's not temper issue, I guess.
Okay. The last question of this category. Let me see na.
Arey, wait na.
Who is the funniest sibling?
I.
Again,
If I get in mood, then you can't beat me.
if
It's about
you get
mood.
in mood, but I'm always
No, but you're not
Yes,
funny
I am.
enough.
whatever. Guys, you let us go. We don't know, no?
Oh, how would they know then if you us only know?
By watching our videos,
Hmm.
let us know. What do you guys think?
Mhm.
Who is the funniest sibling?
I think here right now we are not that open, such that they will be able to
But
judge.
whatever we are here, according to that. Okay, moving on to the next category, which is spicy or tea cushions. Who? What is the question? Okay, what's my most annoying habit?
Yours, everything. Everything, guys.
She can't live without me. And
When-
my,
when-
my,
when did
my
this happen?
every habit is annoying. See? That's
Just
why
खुद
we are
में
siblings.
कुछ भी सोच लो.
खुद में कुछ भी सोच लो.
Obviously.
कभी भी बाहर जाओ. एक इंसिडेंट मैं बताती हूँ. हम
कौन सा?
बाहर गए थे. पूरी फैमिली ये अकेले घर में थी.
Please.
जल्दी हो
Please.
मेरे को डर लग रहा है घर पे अकेली जल्दी हो कहाँ पहुंचे
So it was not about you. No, tell the incident. Tell the incident where it was about you. ऐसा तो है ही नहीं. I can live.
I can live. She can't do shopping without me. If she does, she pick anything.
Oh, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है.
है ऐसा?
ऐसा नहीं है.
ऐसा है. इसने एग्री भी किया है, but अभी
कब?
नहीं करेगी. अभी नहीं करेगी ये.
It's like you need like second person.
हाँ.
For
so,
that.
So
what? It's anyone. It can be mummy, anyone.
but मम्मी तो जाती नहीं है ना. Mostly मेरे साथ ही जाती
Guys,
है.
Zudio haul coming soon on my channel, or maybe it might be already up. Check it. Check that out. I went with my mom.
I was
मम्मी
also
जाती
there.
है.
I was also there.
But
I
it
only
was-
took you guys.
Oh, ड्राइविंग सीखनी पड़ेगी सीरियसली.
हाँ.
भोग तो
सीखो.
ज्यादा पिकअप ज्यादा बोले तो क्या बोलते हो
आपका ही नाम खराब होगा.
गाइस?
आपका ही नाम खराब होगा.
Just know that it's just revenge. Moving on to contour.
And moving on to the next question. What's your biggest red flag?
I am the red flag. I don't have any red flag. I am. अरे यार क्यों इतना क्यों उठा रहे थे नीचे?
And what about me?
You are the red flag.
What do you guys think?
No guys, we are very green flag girls.
We are green forest,
Yes, not forest.
but kind of.
She might be. But to live in this Kalyug, you have to be a little less green forest.
Depending on the situation, whatever you call it. Okay. Moving on to the next question. What's one thing you wish I would stop doing?
I need to think. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है यार. Stop being lazy and scrolling reels too much. That too shitty reels.
I knew this
That
might be coming.
this should come. Everyone should know. Stop scrolling too much. Show your screen time. Open it. Show it. Guys, comment down below. Do stop scrolling and make more videos, interesting videos for you guys, and post it on time. Ask her to do that.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll definitely try to do this.
I think it's going both ways, no? Ki just one way. You also have to answer, no? I have a lot. I am about to be bursted right now, guys. मेरी असलियत सामने आने वाली.
The first and
Shut up! I will wait. I'm contouring here.
there's no contour here.
I am taking it from here and
No.
depositing it here.
I also
Ah,
think we
okay.
don't need contour here.
Oh, you know, why not you do my makeup next time?
Okay. If
This video gets 1,000 views. छोटा नहीं बड़ा सोचो.
1,000 views. Okay. Then I'll do my sister's makeup.
Okay. I hope my skin.
1,000 views or 100 comments, whichever comes first.
100 comments. It's too much. Why you're doing like this? Stay normal.
Okay. You only said na why think low.
Low.
Yeah, aim high. Okay. Oh wait. I was telling about her things which she should stop. She is very moody. If she want to do, if her mood is to do, then only she will do. She should have some flexibility.
Agree. I was also thinking about this
Matlab
a
you,
lot these days.
it is not always, everything doesn't happen with your mood. Like
Agree.
if you are in mood, then only you will do it, or if you're
Agree.
not
This is
feeling
toxic.
okay, then you won't be doing. You should be
Agree.
flexible with your mood. You have to.
Agreed. I have been thinking about that.
And I said it.
Yes.
Okay. Moving on to the next question. What's the biggest lie I have ever told?
To me?
Yeah.
That you should know, na? अच्छा question आया. चमत्कारी कुछ तो है।
मैं सोच रही हूँ कि कब कब मैंने बोला है ऐसा कुछ।
हो सकता है बोला हो बट फिर बाद में बता दिया हो।
ऐसा मुझे तो याद नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ, क्यों याद होगा?
सच में नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई एम रिमेम्बरिंग yours one.
I know. It's your video, it's not mine. You don't need to bust me इतना. थोड़ा लिमिट में.
It's my video. I can do anything.
No,
whatever
you
I
can't.
want.
You can't like.
Guys, if you want to know that lie when she told me,
We'll tell you guys when I'll hit 1 million subscribers on my channel. बस
oh,
go there. If I remember at that time. Otherwise, if I forget.
you guys are there to.
नहीं, so what
Mention.
was the thing that we are talking about right now?
Oh, then we have to see this video again.
Still, I don't think if you forget, maybe, I don't know. Hopefully, I get it soon.
Okay. Moving on to the next question.
Blush.
Question is blush.
You want a lot of blush, you want a little bit of blush. Blush.
Medium, not too light, not too heavy. Don't
Which
suits
suits
my skin tone.
Natural.
Who apologizes
Apologizes first.
first after a fight?
No one.
Seriously?
We just
Is
start
that a
talking.
sibling?
No, we just start talking. She just start talking. मैं थोड़ी टॉक्सिक हूँ. मुझे अगर ऐसा
काम
रिग्रेट
होगा?
नहीं let me say my point ना.
Okay.
मुझे लग भी रहा होगा तो I won't be able to like
Talk.
say and talk. Yeah, that's my one bad habit. अंदर से मरी जा रही होंगी रिग्रेट में बट सॉरी ये सामने से बात नहीं हो पाएगी. बट अगर सामने से कर दिया देन तो मेरे से अच्छा कोई है ही नहीं. आई डोंट थिंक एनीवन नोज अबाउट दिस. सबको लगता है कितनी घमंडी है. गाइस ऐसा नहीं है.
Okay. So no one apologizes. We just start talking, and
That's the
I am the one who initiates the talk.
भूल जाते हैं यार इतनी देर में. तो घर में दिन भर
लड़ाई
एक
हुई
दूसरे को देखना.
इधर का ये वो. अरे सुन वो तूने किया क्या? तेरे को ये करना था, तेरे को वो करना था, बस. That's it. Let me see the next question. This is mobile is not taking my face ID. What's one secret you have never told me? Is there any?
I don't think so. वाहियात से वाहियात चीज भी तो बता दी है.
There is nothing secret between us. She knows my every karma kand. I know her every karma kand.
I don't know about her. इसने किए भी हैं. सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन.
हाँ, बात तो सही है. नहीं किसी ने इतने कोई कांड वांड ऐसे कुछ नहीं किए.
चलो, nobody needs explanation. Go ahead.
क्यों भाई किसी ने अपन को बड़ा वो समझ लिया तो अगर बात है ना ऐसे क्लैरिफिकेशन होना चाहिए.
They
हर
know
चीज
us.
का.
If they know us, they know us.
Point.
कितना भी आप किसी को क्या बोलते हैं? Explanation
Explanation
दे
दो.
दो. They won't.
Okay. I think this is something interesting. If we switched lives for a week, what would be hardest?
Driving car. Very, very hard. I want to know, guys. Give some tips to be relaxed and don't get hyper. Open your eyes and don't smile. And for you?
I have to think.
Okay, think.
What it can be?
Everything is easy that I do.
Lifting heavy weight.
What?
I'm always 2.5 or 5 kgs below her
Also,
weight.
there is weight difference, so that's normal. If you are me, then you will just have my weight maybe. If we are thinking it to that extent, have your tea cup से रखी वीडियो में.
And also applying makeup, having makeup skills like her.
She has. बचपन में she was pro. She knows how to apply eyeliner.
Yeah, I
everything.
used to do.
Everything.
I had kit, that small
Yes.
makeup kit. But
And
now
now
I'm
roles
not,
are reversed.
I'm not interested in applying makeups and all. Like
She
it
got
is-
natural beauty. Then why you need? Who don't have natural beauty? They need external beauty to make themselves look pretty. Have your tea. Then we'll continue.
tea time, guys. You wanna have?
No.
I was saying मेकअप स्किल्स है मुझ में, बट मेरा मन बहुत होना चाहिए करने का. एकदम एक्सट्रीम मन होना
सब
चाहिए.
आता है.
नहीं नहीं, अब तो मेरे को करना ही है, कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे तो करना ही है. मेकअप बनाना ही है, वीडियो. Then I'll know everything. I'll just ask where to apply this, what's the next step, and I'm done. Because I see her doing now, so I know I have to do dab. This.
Yes.
If you guys have seen my video, one shots of where I did curly hairs, I guess I made that video during Shivratri. Yeah, that makeup was done by me. I did the whole makeup. That was, I guess, first time when I applied
Full
makeup.
face of makeup.
Yeah, full face makeup without any help.
It's basically about interest. Otherwise, makeup anyone can do. It's very
Interest and practice. A little bit of practice is very important.
yeah.
Would you allow me to have my tea? I'm just holding the cup from.
Don't hold it. How the time?
How much makeup is left? How much makeup is too much makeup? How am I looking?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me.
No, don't look right now. She's looking like a
Bandar.
obviously while
Then I'll not show you guys my face. For makeup, I can't trust anyone else rather than my sister.
this is the first time I'm doing her makeup full face actually, and you can't trust anyone else.
Yeah, because
I myself feel now I can't trust anyone else. Hearing the experiences about the brides these days, everyone is saying learn basic makeup and खुद से कर लो.
या तो फिर करो ही मत.
हाँ. And I'm really loving that thing. कि यार, at least they are talking boldly about it.
Yeah, because they
These
don't
days,
know
I don't know what
is-
makeup artists have got that attitude.
Because they don't know what is your like, what would suit
Liking
you best.
and yeah, and also about your face type, like textures.
Either I can trust her or I'll do it by myself. No third person.
That's
That's
better.
it.
ज़्यादा भूत बना दिया क्या? We'll add a little bit of blush more to cover up everything.
My questions are waiting.
Your tea is also waiting.
Why are you
Grab
not
it.
stopping then? Okay, let's see.
क्या लगाना है? Blush और
नहीं कुछ और नहीं लगाना है.
नाक में contour.
नहीं, ऐसे फेस इतना शार्प दिख रहा है ना. I don't have jawline, but I'm feeling like having that shape and all. Oh, highlighter is missing. That's why
अभी
it is
बच्चा है makeup.
हाँ, it's good.
Okay.
What do you guys think? अच्छी लग रही हो ना?
दिखा.
Moving on to the next category, fashion and beauty. Rate my fashion sense out of 10.
Yours?
Yeah.
7.5. 0.5 थोड़ा courtesy में. The 1.5 courtesy में.
1.5 is shut up, yeah.
Okay. You also rate my अब बदला लेके देगा.
No, your is nice. I would rate your 8.5.
I think 8.
0.5 courtesy में.
See? बदला. बहुत ज्यादा ही दे दिया. 7 देना चाहिए था मेरे ख्याल से. 0.5 ही ज्यादा है तुझसे.
Moving on to the next question. What's my worst outfit ever?
Worst outfit.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Is there any?
Worst तो नहीं यार, because approval I give. तो worst तो हो नहीं सकती.
हाँ. I don't think we have any worst outfit ever.
हाँ, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है worst जैसा.
Okay. What's one makeup trend I should stop following?
Do you follow any?
No. She used to follow one. That puff one.
अच्छा पहले का भी बोल रहा है क्या?
No. After reading this question, I just went into that era.
अच्छा लगता, बुरा नहीं लगता
This
था.
high puff.
पीछे का रहता था. आगे से I used to give nice style.
I'll
side
attach
party
one
shit.
clip one
Which
photo
one do you have?
if I get.
अच्छी वाली मैं ही लगाऊंगी. देखना कितना अच्छा लगता था
No,
वो.
वैसे ऊंचा पहले इतनी हाइट ऊपर से 2 इंच पफ और लंबा.
बस 2 इंच ही रहता था क्या?
2-2.5 इंच रहता होगा. उससे ज्यादा तो गड्ढे हो जाते थे मालूम.
नहीं, गड्ढे वाले नहीं बनाए मैंने आज तक. गड्ढे वाले दूसरे बनाते थे.
उससे अगर ज्यादा ऊंचा होता था तो अगर करती तो हो जाता ना. Next question. If I had to copy one celebrity style, who should it be?
I guess Poonam, वो which movie is that? विवाह. हाँ, like innocent वाले roles, innocent वाले looks would suit you.
Okay.
नहीं?
हाँ. क्योंकि मैं हूँ innocent. इसीलिए.
Only just because God has given you that innocent face doesn't mean you are innocent.
Guys, do you think
The
I'm
people
not
with
innocent?
clever face can also be innocent.
Okay. So you would suggest me for the Poonam from Viva movie?
Or that Preeti outfits would also look good. Like
Some
old
some साथ
90s
में.
suits and all those.
Okay. Next question.
Okay.
Pass or answer questions. Who's your current crush? Do
I
you
don't
have
know.
any?
I should have. I think someone who lifts really heavy like animals. Ranveer Singh in Dhurandhar, like that kind of someone. But ऐसा कोई है नहीं अभी जो बहुत excite कर रहा हो. So
No.
रणवीर सिंह कह सकते हैं. From
Okay.
Dhurandhar.
Have you ever stalked someone?
You
on
also answer, no? Why only I have to?
like
Don't go
Crush.
behind. I would poke your eyes.
honestly, I don't have crush on anyone right now.
No, Vicky Kaushal. Vicky Kaushal.
I like him as a actor, but I don't have crush. Have you ever pretended to like someone's gift?
Someone's gift. Obviously,
Like.
have to. कुछ भी दे देते हैं जब दोस्त वोस्त. I remember. Okay, I won't say anything.
Okay.
Gift is a gift. Let's not
Yeah.
mention it particularly. Just answer yes. What about you? Obviously.
Yes.
किसका?
Why should I answer if you
मेरा
don't answer?
मेरा हुआ. तो I will poke my.
No, it's not you. You give a very thoughtful gifts.
कब
I can
दिए?
never like pretend.
Thoughtful तो नहीं, but
Useful.
I'm trying to like do thoughtful. मतलब इधर ऊपर.
Have you ever blamed me for something you did?
Obviously. Daily, every day. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Why you're opening it? देखने के लिए क्या है? मैं बता देती हूँ. Concealer brush.
इससे वो मस्कारा भी लगाया तो ऐसे वो नहीं हो रहा होगा क्या?
नहीं.
सूख गया.
हाँ. Okay.
Okay. Have you ever snooped through my phone?
What?
Snooped through my
What does that mean?
Let me also see. I guess check किया हो.
Obviously. Every little sister's duty है वो. If you don't do that, do it.
To look around
Yes, no.
secretly and without permission in order to find out some information.
Obviously, I do. I still do it. Not अपने बीच क्या ही छुपा है लेकिन.
सही बात है.
बट इतने लेवल भी नहीं गिराती हूँ कि बहुत ही प्राइवेसी वाली चीज
हाँ,
है.
मतलब we
बस
give
normally
space to each other.
किससे बात कर रही है ये? Oh no shit. बिगाड़ गया.
नहीं.
क्या बात हुई है इनकी पढ़ती हूँ यार मैसेज. That's chill, you know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, but yeah, that's a bad habit. अब नहीं करूँगी.
Seriously?
कभी कभी चलेगा यार.
Seriously?
हाँ, you give me permission ना कि देख ले क्या बात है, क्या बताऊँ अब ऐसे चैट से पढ़ ले, ऐसा
हाँ,
बोल लेती तूने पढ़ ली. Nothing is hidden between us. Okay, no.
Sister challenge questions. Next category. Guess my favorite food.
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 Food. Your favorite? आलू पराठा, आलू पराठा, दाल पूरी, समोसा. फास्ट फूड में कैटेगरी में डेजर्ट क्या है? सैंडविच.
Desert sandwich.
बर्फी यार वो.
Sangam
संगम
barfi.
बर्फी मिठाई.
But I don't feel like I have. हाँ.
Gulab jamun.
I like all these things, but favorite is aloo paratha is.
Love anything with
Everyone,
aloo is
everyone.
love. Samosa.
Stop giving that. Okay. Guess my biggest fear.
Guess.
Oh, what's my
We never
biggest
talked
fear?
about this.
Do I have any?
अच्छा भाई टच वुड. किस्मत वाले होते हैं जिसको कोई डर नहीं होता. क्या वो नहीं होता. क्या बोलते? फियर. सोच लिया.
I don't know. I'm not remembering. Does I have any?
स्टे फ्री लाइक दिस भाई जीवन भर. कभी मत पाल लो. नहीं है तो.
बस वो फैमिली का ही होता है, बाकी उसके अलावा तो ऐसे कुछ.
तो डर डर होता है फैमिली का हो या किसी का भी हो.
Okay. What's my dream travel destination?
केदारनाथ. ज्योतिर्लिंग्स.
Am I right or I am right? Yes. Correct. I really want to travel the Bharat Jyotirling. I just completed 2. 10 are still on my bucket list. Let's see when that dream comes true. Hopefully soon we'll be able to complete all that. What's my biggest pet peeve? What is this?
बस चिढ़ जाती हो. गिरा हुआ क्यों रखा ऐसा. तूने ऐसा क्यों कर दिया ऐसा. पेट पीव.
Pet peeve. What do you think? What's my biggest pet peeve?
इसका शायद किसी से तो नहीं चिढ़ती यार ये. हाँ. पता नहीं तुझे है.
हाँ.
क्यों.
भाई मुझे ऐसे करते हैं.
अच्छा हाँ. How can I forget like touching the fluffy arm. Fluffy.
Touching is
Listen.
okay, but like doing all this thing,
That's
I just get frustrated of this.
Frustrated by this. Okay, ask.
What's one thing I always say?
है. सही है. सही है. ये नहीं है तेरा.
Sister thing, guys.
Sister thing, sister सब समझ रहे होंगे. Let me think.
Did you got any?
बोलने बोलने ही नहीं देती हूँ मैं, तो क्या बोलेगी बेचारी।
सही बात।
रुक जाओ, उधर मत देख।
ये चीज बचपन में बहुत होती थी। टीचर्स में लाइक जब हम डांस पार्टिसिपेट करते थे वो मेकअप करते थे, ओपन योर माउथ। I was just having that same feeling right now.
ये भी खत्म। बोल बर्थडे मेरा आ रहा है, तेरा नहीं जो तू गिरा रही है।
मेरे चैनल पे आके ये क्या कर रही है गाइस? ये क्या अपने आप को गरीब दिखा रही है कि ये भी खत्म हो गया वो भी खत्म हो गया? चाहिए ये
क्या दिला दो हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स हमें।
मतलब एक बार मेकअप करवाने का इतना भारी खर्चा।
बुआ के चार्जेस जाके पता करो मार्केट में क्या है। चलो
तो हमने अपने घर में मुआ किस लिए रखी है अगर हमें मार्केट का रेट ही देना है?
लगा दे दो अभी। बहुत बोलती है ये।
तभी मजा आता है जीवन में।
मुंह दुखता है भाई, कान दुखते हैं लोगों के। खोल लो मुंह, जब खोला हो तब नहीं खोलती।
Last round, rapid fire. Coffee or tea? Yours I have to tell and you have to tell mine.
Yeah. Okay. Tea.
Coffee. Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Beach or mountains?
Mountains.
Okay. Gold
I
or
haven't
silver?
been to one.
Gold. Gold or silver?
None.
Gold. None.
Okay, gold. Paisa. Investment.
Instagram or YouTube?
YouTube. I love you guys. Guys, please subscribe.
Both.
हाँ, पैसा दोनों से आए तो दोनों.
Shopping or traveling?
Traveling.
Morning or night?
Night.
You are also night.
Oh, I love mornings.
But you are night people.
I wake up early now. I wake up by 7 or 8. It's enough.
Okay. Introvert or extrovert?
You are?
Introvert, if you don't know me. If I open up once, then I'm extrovert.
Okay. And me?
You
I
are also introvert. You are totally introvert.
Sometimes maybe ambivert, but introvert का पल्ला ज़्यादा भारी है.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So with this,
खत्म हो गया बस इतने से.
हाँ,
तो
बस
चालू होते से ही खत्म हो गया. Okay. So
this is the
makeup.
full makeup, guys, which is done by
By me.
her. Comment down, did you like this or not?
Okay.
Rate this look out of 10. What
Guys,
is your thinking?
10 only 10.
And
We'll see you in next video.
please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, comment down what's your thought. Let us know on which topic we should make our next video. What was that?
Video.
I'm saying and she is just acting.
I'm bad at it. I know that. You guys don't need to tell me that. Okay? So yeah.
Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.